All right, hey guys, I'm gonna just show you a video here on this drawing over here, which is actually gonna be a hook on the wall, and you'll see it's in the shape of a piano, which is really awesome. And so they have the drawings here, and so I just kind of want to walk through just the different steps for this. So you're gonna want a good piece of wood for it, right? Make sure you find the correct size, everything. Here we have a clamp, which we clamp the wood to, right in here. Clamp it down, and then we take the saw and we saw the length that we want. I'm not going to do it right now, but I'm just showing you what we would do. Here's where you would make, with just the pencil, you'd make the mark for the length that you want the piece to be at. And so after you cut the piece, the next step over here is you're going to have different color pieces. So you're going to have to paint the pieces, obviously, yeah. And so for the black keys, we're just painting them a nice wood brown. And so you paint it, cut the sides. Again, you could use actually the saw over here with the angle to get to the correct angle for this. And so once you cut that and paint that and let it dry, then you're going to use a few different drills and drill different holes. So larger one here, smaller one here. And so you'll drill the holes in the pieces, because then the next step will be to hook them together. Just like we have here. You'll see that we have a finished one here where they're all hooked together. And after you hook them together and put the drill bits in and all that fun stuff, you're going to get another piece of wood which will go on the wall right here. And you're going to drill these in here. Just like that. And so now you have this amazing piece of wood that has the back to hook on the wall. And so, perfect. Yeah, it'd go against the wall and you'd be able to fold these pieces down like so. And then you can hook different things on it. Just like that. And then when you're done, you take it off, fold these back up, and there you have it.